Welcome to my top 3 new features in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2018. The process is very simple. From our drawing, we select the dimensions that we want to push into our report, and of course we can very quickly get to a number of formats including things like Excel or PDF. Number 3 is the PDM integration. So if you have SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2018 SP2 or forward, you can now directly use the PDM toolbar in the software. This is awesome. You can directly check in, check out, pull up a history, just like you would in your Microsoft Office tools, or of course directly in SOLIDWORKS itself. Number 2 is the Smart Extract feature. This is really nice because you can now effectively box select a group of dimensions that you quickly want to populate your bill of characteristics. Of course, my favorite feature in 2018 inspection is the ability to work with three-dimensional files. This includes DWG, DXF, files of course coming from SOLIDWORKS, but also CATIA, Pro-E, and others. So I hope you found these 3 features in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2018 to be very handy. Check out my next video.